Welcome to Newnan, Georgia, a picturesque city where Southern charm meets modern living. Today we're about to discover a property that not only offers an exceptional living experience, but also embodies the essence of community. Within the heart of Coweta County, this area is renowned for its rich history, vibrant local spots, and a community that truly comes alive through every season. One of the best parts about this home is undoubtedly the views it offers. The large windows at the back frame the neighboring 25-acre horse farm. As we venture into 155 Inland Circle, prepare to be captivated. This home is a masterpiece of design and space, boasting 4 spacious bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, across an expansive 2,922 square feet of living area. The Tuscan-inspired aesthetics add to the curb appeal and draw you into a world where your story will begin. For those who like to put their creativity to work, the huge garage and workshop area is a dream come true. Imagine waking up to the serene views of a horse farm right from your backyard. This isn't your average neighborhood. It's a community that prides itself on connectivity and shared experiences. From lake parties to friendly matches at the pickleball courts, there's a palpable sense of belonging here. Beyond the property, what you get with this home is the lifestyle. Having easy access to community amenities and the lake makes it a little easier to slow down and enjoy life. Imagine getting off work and being able to go kayaking and fishing in your own neighborhood. If you're ready to turn your house hunt into a welcome home, call me, Mindy from the Hunt Home team. But until then, I'll see you next time.